Sister Irai and Sister Lisha's here.
Yeah, this is Sister Lisha. Pardon, this is Sister Irai. Well, today we prepared a little bit exciting. Can you call that exciting? Yeah, okay. So, first, I need to put on my gloves. How about you, sister?
For what?
Okay, on just me.
We're gonna have spinach salad. We have cucumber here, black olives, red onions, slice of tomatoes, and lemons for our chicken, and olive oil, salt, black pepper. This is for our chicken.
All right. So obviously, we want to prepare an Iranian salad. So maybe you are thinking about why is the cut is like this. This is how they cut usually their salad. So, all right, we're just gonna put all together. Help me, sister. Just up. Oh, ang ingay. There you go.
Put them all together, onions, and then I'll squeeze the lemon. You ahead and put your seasoning, salt and pepper.
All right. You know what? When you put your salt, it's up to you if you want salty. So it's like just a pinch for me, just a little bit like that. You know, because we don't like salted one. The salted any food that's salted, very salty. So we have this black pepper. Go ahead. Well, just
One lemon.
just a little bit like that. No, I want a sour one. So, olive oil. There you go.
And this
I need to
is
put
the
away these
ingredients for
things.
our salad.
Are you done?
Yes. And now we're just preparing for our...
How about this one?
Do we need to put some more of that?
No. Maybe it's up to you, but I don't need it. So it's like our dressing is only olive oil and
Salt and pepper,
lemons.
lemons, yes.
Yeah, just like it's really simple, but it's yummy.
This
So
is ready.
yeah,
So,
let's gonna show them. Wowee! Just shake like that. Look. All right, this is really healthy for everybody. Just put it right there. So next,
chicken hot wings.
woo! Yeah, we have a fried chicken in here, but not only a simple fried chicken because we're gonna do a twist. We love twists in here, you know. So we have here the Samyang hot chicken flavor wings, bulldog. Look at that. So what we're gonna do is tell them, sister, how we marinate this one.
First we marinate it with salt only, overnight. Could be 5 hours if you don't want to overnight it. And then we added what do you call this?
Magic syrup.
Magic syrup. Whichever you prefer, you can put anything you want, but we put it
Yes.
magic syrup, salt and pepper. Some of you guys maybe sugar and salt and pepper.
Yeah, but for us, you know, just a
This
simple,
is a simple
one.
one.
So let's gonna pour it right there. Oh my God,
It's gonna be spicy. Oh, sure.
I am funny. Okay, so we shake it already. Just pour it like that.
Oh my God, it's so spicy now.
It's no.
Spicy, that's too much. That's
No,
enough.
wait. So
It's like five. Number 5.
no, I don't know. So shake.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, so look. We just see it. Look, we are ready for this. So
Okay, let's
sister, sit down and serve it, please. Wow, this is a vegetable salad overload. Partner with this spicy chicken.
Fried chicken.
Let's see. Do you want me for it later? Of course, why not? Look at that. Oh!
How about the salad? You just eat it like that?
Of course. That's why I'm asking you to put your gloves. You don't need the spoon right here. Huh? Wow. Let's put away this one. I don't want extra. Ah!
I need spoon for the salad.
Spoon for?
For my salad.
No, just get a fork.
For the salad. Let's eat, guys. Oh my God. Cheers. Mmm.
Mm-hmm. Toast. Cheers.
I ate already.
Wow. Ah, it's burning. Excuse me. We need this for the buns.
Okay. Oh my God.
One down. What do you like?
Oh.
You like butter or? So for the second wings, let's see how much Sister Licia's wings will gonna finish it.
I'm dying.
We need to finish this one.
Mm-hmm. You're crazy.
No. Mm. Oh. Mm-hmm. Third one. Don't make a face.
Can do it more.
Soy milk.
Maybe.
Okay. Excuse me again. This is for you. How much you ate?
3.
3, are you sure?
Yeah.
Should be equal. We are sister, you know.
This soy milk.
No more. No more. Don't worry, sister. We have extra. Don't give up. Oh my god. Where's the tissue? Tissue paper. Paper tissue.
Hala mo. Libus.
Well, while we are enjoying this spicy chicken, we would like to thank again Jason M. Official, the host, and also, what is this? Dranreb. Dranreb cooking.
I don't know.
I forgot, sorry. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, no? I have a list. Yeah, it's Dranreb cooking ideas. What else? The other one. This paper. Oh yeah. It's Tekla Pasaway. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for today's what we call this one? What?
My nose is dripping. So spicy.
You okay?
No.
Very messy. Someone is crying. I don't know how much I ate.
I'm on fire. Ha! My nose is dripping.
Another one.
1 minute.
Well,
I'm tired.
Sister Alicia in here is like
I give up.
about to cry. So she was giving up. I'm still good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to share and comment below. What else? Keep subscribing everyone for more videos. And then don't forget to click the notification bell. This is Sister Rirai.
Sister Alicia's on fire.
Woo! Thank you so much guys for watching. Again, Jason M. Official, John Reb, Cooking Ideas, Tekla Pasaway, thank you so much for today. God bless us all. Love one another, be kind to one another.
Okay. Ikan lang anan. I-delete mo ito.